Are you looking for the top 5 best audio interfaces for beginners? I bought and tested these audio interfaces so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're a budding musician, a podcaster, or just someone looking to elevate their sound game, I've got you covered. Let's dive into the top 5 audio interfaces that are perfect for beginners, offering quality, ease of use, and affordability.
Product number 1, Focusrite Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen. When I first got my hands on the Focusrite Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen, I was eager to see if it could truly deliver professional quality sound for my home recordings. The moment I plugged it in, I was impressed by its sleek design and sturdy build. This device is compact, weighing just 12.3 ounces and measuring about the size of a small book, making it perfect for any desk setup or mobile recording. I connected my guitar and microphone, and right away I noticed the clarity of the preamps. These preamps are no joke. They really do provide a brighter recording. I especially loved the switchable air mode, which added an extra layer of brightness to my acoustic guitar recordings. The 2 high headroom instrument inputs were a game changer for me, allowing me to capture my guitar and vocals without any clipping. The gain halos are a nifty feature. They light up green when you're at the right level, giving you confidence while recording. With recording capabilities up to 24-bit 192 kHz, I felt like I was in a real studio. The low noise, balanced outputs gave me crystal clear playback, letting me hear every nuance of my recordings. The included software bundle, featuring Pro Tools Intro Plus and Ableton Live Lite, provided all the tools I needed to start making music right away. Plus, the 3-year warranty gave me peace of mind, knowing Focusrite stands behind their product. However, I did notice that its limited number of inputs might be a downside for those looking to expand their setup later on. But for beginners, this little powerhouse is a fantastic starting point. If you're looking to dip your toes into the world of audio recording without breaking a bank, the Focusrite Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen is absolutely worth it.
Product number 2, Focusrite Scarlett Solo 4th Gen. After spending some time with the Focusrite Scarlett Solo 4th Gen, I was eager to see how it improved upon the previous model. Right out of the box, the build quality felt solid, and I loved the new design. Plugging in was seamless, and I was immediately struck by the studio-quality sound it delivered. The dynamic range of 120 dB blew me away. Everything felt so much fuller and richer compared to my old gear. The air mode was also enhanced, making my vocals and guitar pop in the mix like never before. I had a blast experimenting with different sounds, and the included software bundle was like finding hidden treasure. I was able to dive into Pro Tools and Ableton Live Lite, and the plugins provided were top-notch. One thing I appreciated was how easy it was to set everything up. The interface was user-friendly, perfect for someone just starting out. However, I did run into a bit of a learning curve with the software, but that's expected when you're trying something new. One minor drawback was the price. At $149.99, it's a bit of an investment for beginners. But if you're serious about your audio production, the Focusrite Scarlett Solo 4th Gen is definitely a worthy contender. It's designed to grow with you, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to elevate their sound game.
Product number 3, M-Audio M-Track Duo. When I came across the M-Audio M-Track Duo, the first thing that caught my eye was its affordability at just $69. I was curious to see if it could hold its own against the big names in the market. Setting it up was a breeze. The USB connection made it plug and play, which is a huge plus for anyone new to audio interfaces. I plugged in my guitar and mic and was pleasantly surprised by the audio resolution of 48 kHz. Definitely a steal at this price point. The dual XLR/line inputs allowed me to record multiple sources simultaneously, which was perfect for my podcasting needs. I was especially impressed with the crystal preamps, which delivered clear sound for both my condenser and dynamic microphones. I appreciated the USB/direct switch that allowed for zero latency monitoring. This feature is essential for recording without the annoying delay. However, the interface does have its limitations, such as a lack of advanced features found in pricier models. If you're looking for something basic, the M-Track Duo fits the bill perfectly. It's a fantastic entry point for beginners wanting to dip their toes into recording and streaming without spending a fortune.
Product number 4, Miono PS22 Lite.
The Miono PS22 Lite caught my attention with its promise of high-resolution recording at an incredibly budget-friendly price of $69.99. When I unboxed it, I was impressed by its compact size, which makes it perfect for any workspace. I plugged in my mic and was blown away by the clarity of the sound. The dynamic range of 106 decibels really made a difference, capturing every detail of my recording. I loved that it supported both condenser and dynamic microphones with up to 56 dB of preamp. It made my voice sound warm and full, ideal for podcasting. The Pro Studio routing software included was a game changer, especially for live streaming. It allowed me to control my sound with ease, and the loopback feature was a fantastic addition for adding background music to my streams. The intuitive modes for recording and live broadcast made switching between setups effortless. One thing I had to get used to was the dynamic light ring, which indicated sound input status. While cool, it took a bit of adjusting to understand. Overall, if you're a beginner looking to create quality content without spending a fortune, the Miono PS22 Lite is an incredible option that packs a punch. Product number 5. The UP-GI-SIS Gaming Audio Mixer. The UP-GI-SIS Gaming Audio Mixer is a unique twist on the traditional audio interface, priced at just $32.99. I was excited to see how it would perform, especially for gaming and streaming. Right out of the box, I was impressed by the array of features packed into this compact device. The preamplifier and 48V phantom power worked perfectly with my XLR mic, delivering clear audio that made my streams sound professional. The ability to customize my audio with 6 voice-changing modes added a fun twist during gaming sessions. I was able to engage with my audience in new ways, triggering sound effects on the fly with the customizable sound pads. The individual channel controls made it easy to adjust volumes, and the one-touch mute function was a lifesaver for avoiding live mishaps. However, it's worth noting that the mixer is more geared toward casual users, and it may not have all the advanced features a professional might need. But for beginners who want to add some flair to their streams or recordings, the UP-GI-SIS Gaming Audio Mixer offers exceptional value and versatility at a budget price. In conclusion, whether you're a musician, podcaster, or gamer, there's an audio interface on this list for you. Each of these options provides a solid foundation for getting started in audio recording without breaking the bank. Invest in one of these interfaces and you'll be well on your way to creating high-quality sound for your projects.